It's common knowledge by now that fentanyl is a dangerous and deadly drug. What many of us don't know is how we can help in the matter. After all, the drug is obviously dangerous, and yet after all the PSAs and drug safety videos, the issue still persists. I am to tell you that anyone can help, no matter who you are. There are resources and precautions that you can take that might just save someone's life. Narcan, or naloxone, is one such precaution. Opioids like fentanyl bond with receptors in the brain that revolve around emotions and pain. The nasal spray Narcan is designed to counteract these effects and is supposed to help with these opioid overdoses. Anyone who wishes can purchase this medication from their local pharmacy without needing a prescription. The nasal spray is easy to use and can be administered in emergency situations by simply placing the nozzle in the patient's nose and pressing the plunger down completely so as to enact the spray. If you're worried about a sibling, a cousin, a friend, or even just want to do your part in helping fight off this drug, having Narcan at the ready is one of the best ways to help.